How did you manage to break it then?
God, I don't even know. I broke it
Oh.
a few times, and the crack slowly got worse, and it like had a little black mark. And then I was going to a bonfire, had it in my pocket, and it kept like locking me out. So I just put it between my lap, forgot it was there, stood up out of the ground, smashed it down. I was like, yeah, that's gone. And sure enough, like it's black all the way to here, and then glitching out.
All right, so that should take, about an hour, about 45. Yeah, 45 minutes should be good.
Too easy.
All right.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
That's in a bit. Okay, I'm hoping you have another form of payment. Okay, good. A lot of people need their phone to pay, but it is disabled for 7 hours.
That's fucking fine. I don't really give a shit.
But it seems to be looking a lot better.
Yeah, that works perfect.
Touching okay.
Yeah, easy.
All good. Yeah, all good there.
Awesome.
All right.
It's already expensive living here.
Yeah.
Let alone, dropping your phone. And there's the cost of rent.
Tell me about it.
Whatever, like tap here was like $16.
$16 for a schooner.
Holy fuck.
That's insane. I thought London was bad.
Yeah, London is bad, but
not as bad as
not
that.
that bad.
Scary. It's like getting a half pint for fucking £7.
Yeah, that's
£8.
Yeah, I was getting pints for like £11, but I was like, that's all right.
That's a whole pint at least. Yeah. Silicone screen protector. Are you happy with that? It's the best one we have.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Easy.
That is $178.99 altogether.
Perfect.
Let's tap there when you're ready. It is got 6 months warranty on it. So
hell yeah.
if there's any issues with it at all, bring it back. We'll sort it out. Doesn't include cracks, smashes, water damage, that sort of thing.
Perfect.
But I'll give
it charges with the cord now too?
Yeah, charges.
Yeah, dude. Thank you for sorting me out. That's awesome.
No worries.
Appreciate it. Too easy, man.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
Have a good one.
You too.